Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to open one of my gifts. So this is not wrapped because it just came. So this is just a little bag. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is a RMS Beauty. This is a lip pencil, guys. And this is a pre brush, big pre purchase, free. And what I have here is the bronzer. This is the Viral. If you know, then here, the RMS Beauty Bronzer. Alright, so that's all for now. Bye. Thanks for watching. Look at a little note. Hi Malen, make replacing your product or problem. Okay, and this brush is really nice. This is a foundation brush. Oh, wow. Thank you, Hermes.